The trade-in mortgage is different from the traditional home buying process in three main ways. The most obvious is the convenience factor. You are able to buy and move into your new home before you sell your old one. This means that you get to move out, set up in your new home, be happy, and your realtor gets to do a lot of the work on the old home for you. Your realtor can suggest repairs, they can help you stage that home, and showings are done while you're in the comfort of your new home. For anyone who's tried to sell recently, they're on a meeting with their job on Zoom, maybe their husband or wife is in the background keeping the kids quiet in another room, and you get a call from your realtor that you have to do a showing in 20 minutes. It's an exhausting mess. And so this is one way to avoid that. The second big way the trade-in mortgage differs is it makes it much more likely that you're going to win the house that you want. In a seller's market like today's market, I have seen people, personal friends of mine, who have actually she bid on over 30 houses and she got beat out on all of them by all cash offers. For her, it was exhausting and devastating. This is because she got pre-approved to make a contingent offer on those homes, and that was predicated on the sale of her old home. It is a seller's market and they have multiple offers, and many of them are cash offers. So non-contingent offers aren't as likely. In fact, they are 4 times less likely to be accepted than a non-contingent offer. With the trade-in mortgage, you are able to submit non-contingent offers. Woohoo! This means that right out of the gate, you're going to be more competitive at the same price point as other offers, and this allows you to be a little more aggressive in terms of your negotiation on that final purchase price. The trade-in mortgage actually also works in a buyer's market. With interest rates rising, we're potentially moving towards a buyer's market. In a buyer's market where things are slower, when you make a contingent offer on the new home you're trying to move into, you run the risk of your old home not selling on time. That means your offer on the new home may fall through, and you might lose that house and possibly end up in between homes if you aren't able to maintain your old house. In summary, in both a buyer's market and in a seller's market like we have right now, the trade-in mortgage offers a big advantage by making you more likely to get the house that you want. The third big difference is that you're able to make a much bigger down payment using the trade-in mortgage, especially if you have a house that you were living in originally that's already appreciated, which most of you in this market, your house is appreciated, or you are living in it for a long period of time. Being able to make a bigger down payment means a lot of things. It means you'll be able to make a lower monthly payment on your mortgage payments. You may be able to avoid private mortgage insurance, and you might be able to buy a house that you otherwise couldn't have afforded. For some families, this means you can move into your ideal home now instead of waiting a couple years to get that down payment. Maybe that's a 4-bedroom house so that your kids can all have their own rooms. Maybe that's a bigger kitchen so you can all sit down together. Having a bigger down payment is going to enable that to happen for you.